controla în persoană. E como a violência doméstica é um problema social?
The students who are in the social work program pursuing the course Caribbean Social Issues and Change, they had a task to go into Aruba and take pictures of a problem and take a picture of the solution. And they had to find a sociological theory that will explain the cause of the problem in Aruba and also use theories to explain the solution of the problem. The reason being, as a social worker, you need to be able to understand the causes of the problem before you can begin to find a solution. And so we want to train our students to be very analytical, to be very observant in what is happening in los dushi Isla Aruba. Tin hopi problem, pero nos niste así solucionen. Based on the students' identification of the problems in the field, they came up with 6 major problems. 1 is inequality, 2, overweight and obesity, mental health, child abuse, family violence, also overconsumption, too many hotels, and the 6th one has to do with family instability, characterized by poverty and family violence. Today we had the official opening of the exposition, which will be for an entire month. It will close on the 14th of June. And each student has 3 minutes to explain the picture that they took with the problem in Aruba and the picture that they took explaining the solution. So now every student has 3 minutes to explain in depth the problems and the solutions. What I would like to leave for the community is that for every citizen of Aruba to look in their neighborhood, and if they see a problem, say something and ask themselves, what can I do? What is my responsibility in finding the solution? We don't have to depend on government to do everything, but if you have an idea of what the solution is, share it with an NGO, share it with the government, share it with your church community, share it with your neighborhood, and let us all take responsibility for finding solutions.